Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create 3D concept art with using Octane Render. So firstly guys, I take plane, this one, and I increase plane size. Guys, size I take 2000 centimeter and same 2000. Yeah, right? Okay, so firstly guys, I apply texture. So create new material, this one, Octane material, and double click on this material, open, and I go to node editor. Guys, I apply ground texture. I show you, that's my texture, this one, right? So guys, you can download this all texture. I give you download link in description. So select all material, drag and drop in node editor. Yeah, and close. So guys, apply one by one. That's my diffuse. So little bit increase size, select this one and apply on diffuse. Yeah, and second one, guys, that's my roughness, apply on here. And third one, that's my normal map. Yeah, and this should be displacement map. So select here. Guys, this time I apply displacement map, connect with input, and this input connect with displacement map. Yeah, and select this one, and level of detail I take full, and amount I take like 50 centimeter, right? And last one, you can connect this one on bump map. Yes, right? See guys, that's my material. And close this node editor, close. Guys, select this material, apply on plane. Yes, and guys, also change UV. So select this one. So guys, length U I take 20 and length V I take same 20. Yes, right? See guys, that's my textures. And guys, also seamless check. Yeah, better. And now I go to Octane and use live viewer window. Select this window, drag and drop on here on left side. Yes, and click on here, render preview. Yeah, see guys, that's my texture. So closer, right? Okay, so guys, now I take one more material. So open, and guys, this time material type I take glossy and color I take black. Yes, and guys, again one more time, actually guys, select this one plane and copy. So select this plane and press Ctrl C and V. Yeah, and change material, apply black one. Yes, so guys, select this plane and I go to chord and increase p.y, increase like this, little bit decrease more. Yeah, I like 25, right? Okay, so now guys, I take camera. So go to object and use Octane camera, and camera, guys, all rotation take 0 and x1 also change y. Yes, better, right? Okay, so guys, now I also change this size. So go to render setting, size I take 1000 breadth and height same 1000 pixels. Yeah, and render preview. Yeah, better, right? Okay, so guys, this time I apply tree. So use this one, Forester plugin, use tree. Yeah, and guys, I change tree library. So change tree, you can take anyone, but I like this one. Yeah, this is for me. Yes, and change size. So go to tree parameter, guys, tree size I take like 0.2. See, that's my tree size. Yeah, and now guys, I take one more tree, so copy and increase tree size like 0.25. Yeah, and one more time, copy this tree, copy, and tree size increase like 0.3. Yes, right? Okay, so now guys, I take cloner and select all tree and make child with cloner. Yes, guys, select this cloner and mode. I take grid array, and guys, mid one I take 0, actually 1, and increase count this one like 5 and 5. Yes, and increase guys size like 500. Yeah, and 500. Yes, right? That's my composition. And now guys, I apply random effector tool. So select this cloner and use random effector, this one. Yes, so go to parameter and guys, y-axis 0 and change only x1 like this and z1. Right? See guys. Yeah, and increase, yes, better, right? And closer like this. Guys, little bit increase cloner, this count like 6 and 6. Yes, better. And now guys, I change random seed. Yeah, that's really good, right? See guys, that's my composition. Yeah, okay, so guys, save this project. So go to desktop, take any file name. Yes, and click on here, render preview. Yeah, better, right? So guys, now I apply landscape on background. So camera uncheck and use landscape, and size guys, I take like 1000, and guys like 700, and last one 1000. Yeah, and increase breadth segments 200 and 200. Yeah, so go to back. Guys, I go to top view panel and go to back, go on here. Yes, and increase position change. Yeah, see guys, that's my landscape. And now copy this landscape and change seed change. Yes, and increase height also, position up. Yes, and copy. Guys, only change seed like this and little bit rotate. Yeah, better. And go to camera. Yes, better. See guys, that's my simple composition. And also I go to top view panel and copy this landscape, copy, apply on here, on this side, on background. Yes, right? See guys, that's my simple composition. Okay, so guys, now this step I apply 3D character model. So I go to file and merge. Guys, go to here, that's my 3D character model. So open and press yes. Yeah, see guys, that's my 3D character model, right? And now go to up like this. Yeah, and change position, go on here, camera check. Yes, and guys, size also change, make smaller like this. Yeah, and rotate like this. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, now I take torus for ring light. So go to top view panel and select this torus, drag on drop on here on mid. So size, guys, this time ring radius I take like 40 and pipe radius 0.2. Yeah, and increase segments. Segments increase. Yeah, pipe segments also. And go to on made. Yeah. So camera uncheck. See guys, that's my simple composition, right? And now guys, I take one more light, actually torus. So copy, go on here and only change this ring radius like 20, half. Yes. And go on here, right? See guys, that's my simple character. And now guys, copy this shape, both torus and character model and group. The shortcut command is Alt G. So select this null object and copy and go on here, go to back, yes, and again copy. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple composition. And select this camera and position change like this, little bit increase. Yeah, see guys, that's my composition. I create material, so go to here and take octane material. Guys, I create material for this landscape, so open and go to note editor and go to search. Guys, type gradient, select this one, yes, and guys, take dark lighter blue. Guys, take blue color, simple, yes, and go to here. This time I take purple color. Right? See guys, that's my color. So select this gradient, apply on diffuse, connect with diffuse, yeah, and select this material and I go to basic. Guys, material type I use glossy, yeah, and roughness, select this roughness here and float 0.5. Yes, that's it. So close and guys, select all landscape and right click on this material and apply. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, now I create material for this ring light. So open this material and I go to emission, black body emission check and click on here and brightness surface check. Guys, go to here, RGB spectrum, yeah, and take blue color, blue, yes, and yeah, better, right? So guys, now go to here and select this torus, this one, and apply this one. Yes, right guys, that's really simple. And now guys, copy this material and only change color. Color I take red color, yes, and apply second torus, second one, apply, and last one, apply. Yeah, right, it's really good. Okay, so guys, next step, I create stars. So guys, use sphere, simple, and sphere radius I take like 1 centimeter, 1, and use cloner. Guys, select this sphere and make child with cloner. I select this cloner and mode I take grid array, yeah, and count increase like all 6 and size like 400, yes, and 400, actually change, yeah, and 400 and 400, yes. Guys, all is good. This step I apply random effector tool. Yeah, and go to parameter. Guys, only change position. That's my like star. Yes, and apply blue material on cloner. Yes, see guys, that's my simple glitter stars, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply light, so use Octane area light. Yes, and go to here. Guys, I apply light on side, so go on here. That's my right side. Yes, camera uncheck. And guys, go to up and rotate this light. Rotate 90 degree. Yes, and change light color. Guys, go to here, same texture, and use RGB spectrum and click. Guys, I take red color. Red. Yeah, all is good. So now guys, copy this light. Copy. Press Ctrl C and V and go on here and again rotate. Rotate 180 degree, and this time guys, light color I take blue. Blue light. Yeah, better, right? Okay, so now guys, I also take backlight, so copy this light, press Ctrl C and V and go to back here and rotate like minus 90 degree. Like this time 180, yeah, right? Okay, so guys, select this light and visibility, camera visibility uncheck, shadow visibility uncheck. Yes, right? Okay, so guys, select this one light and again copy and rotate. Yes, and go to back. Same guys, I go to top view panel. Yeah, and apply on here on same position. Yeah, and guys, same, select this light and camera visibility uncheck, shadow visibility uncheck. Yes, and I go to camera. Yeah, see guys, that's my final composition. And now guys, I take HDRI environment. Yes, and select, and guys, power I take 0. Yeah, much better. Guys, now I also apply fog effect. So go to medium and press add fog. Yeah, and click on here. Guys, density I take like 0.1 and volume step length like 1. Yes, right? See. Okay, so guys, also I apply atom array. So use atom array and select, and radius I take like increase like 400. Yes, and up. Yeah, and rotate this atom array randomly. Yes, and now guys, I apply this time this one atom array. Guys, that's my Platonix, and connect with atom array and radius like all 0.15. Yeah, and subdivision like 24. Yes, right? Okay, so guys, select this blue material and copy and only change color. Guys, color I take orange color like fire color. Yes, so close. Guys, apply this material on atom array. Yes, right? See guys, that's my beautiful composition, right? Okay, now guys, I go to Octane camera here and go to post processing, check. Guys, bloom power I take 20. Yeah, and camera imager, check. Guys, exposure 0.9 and gamma 0.9. and natural response check, and saturation to white I take 0.2. Yeah, better. See guys, that's my final composition, right? So now I go on here, octane setting, guys, max SAM I take 2000, yeah, and specular depth 6, glossy depth I take 5, and diffuse depth I take 5. Yeah, better. So close, right? See guys, that's my final composition. I show you my final render. See guys, that's my final render. This one and this one. It's really beautiful. So close, and yeah, so go to on here, guys, render, use octane render, and use all GPU check. Yes, so close and render preview. Guys, this render take little bit time. Guys, I also changed last setting. So close this render setting, close, yeah, and go on here, tree, yeah, this one, tree. Guys, go to here, render level, I take same 3, both viewport level 3 and render level 3. Yes, same on here, second one, render level I take 3, yes, and last one 3, right? That's most important part, right? Okay, so now again click on here, render. See guys, that's my final render. Guys, I also change some color correction. So go to filter, enable filter check, saturation increase like 20, and contrast increase I like 10, right? And brightness I like 2. Yeah, see guys, that's my final render. It's looking really beautiful. And go on here, after render, guys, go on here, save as, and format. I use JPEG sequences and use all GPU. Actually, that's my use filter check, and press OK. After render, save this image. So guys, that's it. It's my final render is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.